All right, y'all. Here we've got the Korean giant Asian pear. Looking good. Got all these flower buds everywhere. Just all over this tree. If those flower buds indicate the amount of fruit we got off of it last year, we're gonna have tons of fruit this year. It is looking so good. I'm going around clipping some of the ends, getting out some of the water shoots, I guess is what some people call them. But man, this tree, I'm so happy with this tree. I love the fruit. So that's the Korean giant Asian pear for March.